Ever find yourself in the dead of night thinking your sound machine's on the fritz? Nope, that's just your better half sawing logs. So there I am, 3 in the morning, and it sounds like a freight train is passing through the bedroom. And no, it's not from outside. It's my wife, snoring away like she's competing for a gold medal in the Sleep Olympics. Who knew such a petite thing could produce sounds that'd give the brass section at Carnegie Hall a run for their money? Now, they say marriage is about harmony, but I think it's more about finding the right rhythm between the quiet moments and the not-so-quiet snores. But hey, it's got its perks. No need for a white noise machine, and I always know she's there, keeping the rhythm of the night alive. So next time you're nudging your snoring partner, remember it's just the soundtrack of your love echoing through the room. Now who else is ready to dance to the tune of marriage's unexpected beats?